grab your mobile phone. And step 2, click play and actually watch a YouTube video. And step 3, you can get paid real money and real cash inside your account. Boom, as simple as that. Now I want you to stop whatever you're doing right now and take a closer look at all of these payment proof right here. $1, $2, $3, paying out consistently to people from all over the world. Now when I scroll down to the bottom of this website, you can see there are literally hundreds of pages of people that are cashing out real money on this website. And guess what? All they do is just watching YouTube videos just like this. I mean, how cool is that? And you can get paid money just like this. As you can see here, $100 sending into your account. And this is super easy, super simple for new beginners who have never made any money before. This is absolutely free, okay? Don't have to spend any money at all to do this, and this is available worldwide in all countries in the world. I'll show you everything step by step in this video, including how to sign up for a free account and also a few bonus tips that can help you to earn even more money online. So make sure you pay attention and watch this video all the way until the end. Now before we get into this video, can you please help me to like this video? You are absolutely amazing. Said, let's get into the video. So first of all, I want you to come on to this website, which is followfast.com. okay, followfast.com. Now basically this website, they offer you and I an opportunity to make money online by simply watching videos. So take a look at this recent withdrawal history. They are showing you people from all over the world that are cashing out real money every single day. Take a look at this. This is just today. And over here you can see they're literally very transparent on how much money you're actually earning and how much can you cash out. Now I want you to take a look at all of these people right here from different countries that are able to cash out their earnings. Now I want you to comment down below and let me know what is your country and where are you coming from so that I can create more videos in your area. So right now I want you to follow every steps in this video so that you can start earning. Now once you go into the homepage of followfast.com, I want you to go and click on this join button right here, and then you're gonna come onto this page where you can register for free and sign up for a free account. So first off, you're gonna put in your username right here, your email address, your password, and confirm your password again. And now the location, they automatically detect your location right here, and don't worry, they're accepting people from all over the world. So right here you have to enter a captcha. Click on this blue join button right here. So as you can see here, once you log in into your account, you can see something like this. And don't worry, you can do this on your phone, you can do this on your computer as well. Now I want you to take a look at this on top. You can see here your account is not yet confirmed. You have to confirm your email to cash out your points. Now first off, I want you to click on this link right here on top, and then you're gonna come onto this page where you have to confirm your email address and type in the captcha right here and click on this confirm button. So in this case, I'll just do something like this. I put in my email address and type in the numbers right here, and I'll click on this confirm email button. So that's all you need to begin fully set up your account. So right now, once you come onto the home page of your dashboard, I want you to go and click on this YouTube button right here. You can see here, play, like, dislike, and subs. Now I want you to click on this red button right here, play. So as you can see here, when you come onto this page, when you scroll down below here, this is where you can watch YouTube videos and actually make money online. Now the first tip I want to give you, pay attention, right? Because you have to watch the videos on YouTube for at least 35 seconds in order to earn points. Now once you earn the points, you can actually exchange them into actual money. So in this case, when you watch this video, you're gonna earn 9 points by just doing that. So all you have to do is just go ahead and click on this blue play button right here, and then that's gonna take you to the YouTube videos as you can see here. And then when you go back to the website, you can see here they start to count down for the 35 seconds. Now once these go on from 35 seconds to 0 seconds, you can earn 9 points by just doing that. That means you don't have to actually watch the videos, right? You can actually just pause the video right there, and when you go back to the website and just have to wait for 35 seconds, then you can earn 9 points by just doing that. As you can see here on my new account, I have 87 points right now by just simply watching videos. Again, I'll do it real quick and show another example. Now when I scroll down below here, this is 9 points. Okay, 9 points. Now as you can see here right now, I have 87 points. Now I'll go ahead and click on this play button right here, and again I'll go on to these YouTube videos and I'll just pause the video. I don't have to actually watch it, and I'll go back to the website and start to see here they start to counting down 35 seconds, and I'll wait for the 35 seconds in order to get paid. So as you can see here, points is added to my balance. Now right here you can see here points, 96 points right now. This is actually very simple, very easy. You can watch as much YouTube videos that you want. They're gonna keep on refreshing the next video for you to play, and the next one and the next one. So right now, I want to give you another bonus tip where you can earn double or even triple your money very fast, very quickly. Say for example, if you want to watch this video right here and earn 4 points. Now what you can do is that you can open up a new tab using your phone or computer, and you can watch another second videos and earn another 4 points. And you can actually watch both videos at the same time, meaning you don't have to waste 35 seconds by just watching one videos. And again, you can do this as much as you want and even watch 5, 7 or even 10 videos at the same time. So real quick, let me just show you one example of doing that. So say for example, you can open up this tab and watch this video, click on the play button right here, and you can open up another tab by watching a second video by just clicking on this play button again. So as you can see here, I'm watching one video and also another second video at the same time. You can see here when I go back to this page, they'll start to count down 35 seconds for this video, and then on these second videos they start to count down again. So this is a very cool and very efficient way for you to watch 5, 10, 20 videos at the same time by watching a lot of YouTube videos, and you can make a lot of money so much faster compared to other people. So as you can see here, the start credit point added to your balance. As you can see here, 105 points, and right over here when I go back to this page, points added to your balance and 109 points. You can see here, this is a very cool and very good method for you to earn multiple streams of income by watching 5, 10, 20 videos at the same time. So right now I want to give you another bonus tip, is that when you are watching the YouTube videos just like this, when you go on to the gear settings right here, I want to make sure that you can actually play the video faster, right, by changing the playback speed from normal to actually go on to double, right? Click on the 2 right here so they can actually play the video faster, right? Double the speed, meaning you can earn money faster by doing that, and you can watch a lot of videos and making a lot of money online. So another tip that I want to give you is that when you go on to the quality section right here, by default you're going to choose on automatic. Now if you have a very slow internet speed or you're using a very limited data, you're going to select on 144p right here so they can watch on the lowest quality, and that's going to save you a lot of time, save you a lot of data, and you can watch a lot of videos more efficiently, and that's going to result in much more money that you earn. So right now let's move on to the next bonus tip. Now when you click on this daily bonus button right here, you're going to come onto this page where you can claim daily or even hourly bonus points. As you can see here, 3 points every single day. You just have to log in, right? Log in into your account every day and then watch 15 videos. Okay, watch 15 videos and then you can get 100 daily points by just doing that, right? That's a lot of points, right? Say for example, when you watch this video, you can only earn 4 points by doing that, but once you get this bonus, you can instantly get 100 bonus points. This is your daily bonus, but right here, this is actually your hourly bonus, right? Every single hours, you can earn extra bonus point and get 25, right? 25 points every hour by just watching 3 videos, right? So this is a very good opportunity by just going on to the daily bonus section and just watch extra videos, and you can earn hourly and also daily bonuses. So if you want to cash out your money, you can just go ahead and click on this cash out button right here, and then you're going to come over to this page where you can choose a payment method to cash out your money. For example, you can cash out using PayPal, Perfect Money, or also Bitcoin. Now if you don't have this payment method right here, don't worry, because you can cash out on more different payment methods. You can see here, they're accepting people from all over the world, and they're accepting a lot of different payment methods. So basically this is how it works. Once you earn points by just watching videos, you can convert those points into actual money, and then all you need is just $1.50 in order to cash out your money, right? That's the minimum payout system, meaning once you earn $1.50, you can actually receive and withdraw your money inside your account, and then you just have to wait for 3 to 5 business days in order to receive your money, right? As simple as that. And they're basically unlimited YouTube videos that you can simply watch them and actually make money online and get paid every single day.